Okay, so, yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Taka David. I write for Leadership Newspaper. Sir, in your brief, the crisis in Mangu, you said the headers were responsible for the renewed hostilities. That's one. And within the week, we witnessed the floating of a vigilance group by the same headers in neighboring Nasarawa State. What is the take of the defense headquarters on that development?
Okay, still on the issue of Plateau State, I will say that the situation is what has brought about the security situation that we have in Plateau State is a combination of factors. I think I didn't make that clear in my brief. Yes, there was the issue where the headers killed somebody, and that brought about a free-for-all fight between both parties, and we have the situation that we have today. When we talk about groups being set up, I think the only place we need to look to is our Constitution. Our Constitution as a country recognizes only one armed forces. Our Constitution as a country recognizes only one police force. Anybody who wants to argue with that should know how to argue with that. As for the operations that are ongoing, we are doing our best and will continue to do our best to address it. Like I mentioned, we are rejigging our operational strategies and looking and adopting the best course of action that will make all these occurrences a thing of the past. We are very aware and very conscious of what this insurgency and what this terrorism that we're experiencing in the country has done to our citizens, as I made mention, in several political zones. It is a cancer that must be destroyed. It is a cancer that must be rooted out. And we are taking up that challenge and are doing the needful. All you need to look at is the figures that I churn up from this platform week in, week out. We are up to the task and we will address these situations. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.